All right, Jordini, show us your stuff, honey. Good one. Hope you catch a fish.
I never do.
You will one of these days. All right, now don't keep pulling it back. Keep it right out there like that, because you're getting close to the rocks. There you go. Good girl. Try it again. Let's show everybody again.
The water's cold.
Yes, it's very cold. You reeled it up a little too much, but that's okay. Whee! Ooh, that was a good one, honey. Reel it in. Good job. Pull it back a little bit. You're a good fisher girl. Whoa, not that fast. Fish won't be able to catch up to you. Say bye.
Bye.